It's mine. Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Off fire you desire, my rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys right up front. This video was initially shot on release day. It is the day after release day. It is January 17th now. But yesterday, my energy wasn't where I needed it to be. It was a long day, worked all night, and Josiah had a game that morning. So my energy was gone. The sneakers aren't for me and all that other stuff. I actually posted the pictures of the Jordan 13 Starfish, aka Shatter backboard, on my IG, saying that I don't even know if I want to do a video review on these. But everybody was saying, I mean, a lot of people in the comments were like, no, do a review. You want to race to 8K subscribers by the end of the year. We need to know your opinion. And they're right. You guys are right. So I appreciate you guys continuing to motivate me, even when I don't really have the energy to be in front of the camera, to make sure that I put myself in front of the camera for the people that actually want to hear my opinion. That actually means so much to me, because there's 1,000 videos on the Jordan 13 Starfish, but you guys wanted to still hear my opinion, whether I like them, dislike them, whatever, because you guys know that I'm Mr. Heater Cheeks. I'm going to be honest regardless. I don't care what the hype is on anything. I'm going to give my honest opinion, and I appreciate you guys for that, man. So anyway, if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Subscribe to the channel. Like I said, the road to 8,000 subscribers is what we're on. That's the road we're on. By the end of 21, that's what I hope to be at. I pray to be at. If we don't get there, we don't get there, but it won't be from a lack of trying. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers right now. So that's the first goal. You got to crawl before you walk. But the road to 8K is what we're on. So anyway, now that we got all that out of the way, like I said, I appreciate you guys for motivating me to get in front of the camera today. I'm looking kind of scruffy and homeless, but it's all right. It don't matter. We here now. We're going to get into these sneakers. All right, guys, we're going to start off with this traditional gray Jordan box, 13 box. I think a few other Jordans come in this box as well. You got the all gray box with the red Jumpman right there in the center. I'll read off the size label. It reads Air Jordan 13 Retro, size 10.5. Not my personal pair though. White Starfish, which is orange and black. I got these for my cousin. Let me get that in. Got these for my cousin. And you can see the GS pair in the background. I'll do a little comparison for his wife. This is a 6.5 back here. Show if there's any differences or not. But anyway, flip the lid. I don't see any stamps or lot numbers at the top, in my pair at least. Excuse me. So pull these out. I'll just pull out one for now. I'll check the other one for glue stains or anything in a minute. And even though I was going to do the review, I took a picture. I was going to do a review. I really didn't have the energy. I took it out, took a picture, and put them back. I really didn't even look over them like that. Like I said, it's not a personal pair, so I probably didn't have the same energy and feeling towards these. Let me see if I can get that white to focus so it doesn't wash out. But anyway, you can see these entire uppers are very, very pebbled. It looks tumbled. I don't think that really speaks to the quality of the leather. It probably looks like it's better quality than it actually is. It's not bad quality, but the look of the extreme pebble and tumble look makes it look even crazier. But the toe box is traditionally not that great. It's okay, but the side panels are good. You got this Starfish, which is orange, Jumpman on the tongue. And then obviously you got the orange that wraps around the entire lateral and medial side with a black outsole that creeps up along the side. White panther paw in the front, white panther paw on the back, green little Jumpman thing there, carbon fiber there in the center. Really simple, man. And the simplicity of the, oh, and also for those that don't know about 13s, I don't know if I can get mine to focus, but on the back side of the Jordan tag, you'll have the Roman numeral 13 back there. But anyway, to me, I would wear these if it was a team Jordan type sneaker. Like if I was on a basketball team, Syracuse or whatever other team you can think of that has this type of color scheme, I will wear it that way. And I really think that they're kind of like whoring the Jordan 13 out. That's why I'm not one to, yes, I only really like the OG colorways, and I only like a couple of those. Like the He Got Games will be number 1, the Cherries will be number 2, and maybe the Breads. And I know everybody loves the Flint. I'm not a huge Flint fan, but that's just me. But to me, they're kind of whoring them out because they have these in every single color, which is not a problem. But I think like they did orange, they did blue, they did red, they did they're green. So every color of the rainbow, they're going to throw in the 13, it seems like. So I'm not mad at these. I think that this actually, it's obviously is not affiliated with Shattered Backboard, but it's all the same color scheme. As far as the official Starfish colorway is what the original Shattered Backboard colorway was called. So it may be loosely based on that or whatever. It's still the same color scheme. It's still the same color blocking and colorway. But for me, it's cheeks. Just because it's very unnecessary. I don't know how often I will wear something like this, but I'm not mad at anybody that goes for this and say they like it. A lot of people like to say, well, people gonna be mad, you know what I'm saying, once. No, I'm not gonna be mad. I'm not gonna be mad that I passed on this. If I wanted it, I have it in hand, I would just keep it. I'm not going to be mad. I'm not going to be mad that I passed on something down the road like a year later and it's like, oh my God, I wish I would have. Nah, not this one. Not this one. This is what, it will not be a regret. I'm happy that I'm able to always bless the community, bless my cousin. Oh yeah, and the GS size, same quality, same tumbleness, same pebble leather uppers. Everything is identical. Even this isn't suede. If actually it feels like a felt. I know it's not felt, but that's the texture of it. It feels like felt. It's like some synthetic faux suede or whatever, but they're exactly the same. I actually like these better in GS sizes, like on a woman in this colorway, on a woman more than a man. And then the GS box is the black box, gold Jumpman. Size label exactly the same, just different numbers. So there you go with that. This is a little comparison. You know what I'm saying? You see what you get with both. No, but I appreciate y'all watching. I'm glad my energy is a little bit better today. And I'm glad y'all talked me into making a video because I enjoy being in front of the camera. So, hey, I'm out of here. I appreciate y'all. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. OV!